Hi, this is Easy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your TikTok account from private to public. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On TikTok, you can choose whether to have a private account or a public account. On private account, if you choose a private account, you approve the people you allow to follow you, watch your videos, live videos, bios, and likes. See your followers and following list, people won't be able to duet or stitch with or download your videos. But if you change your private account to public account, depending on your selected privacy settings, your posts may be visible to and shared by anyone or on or of TikTok whether or not they have a TikTok account. Anyone can follow you, watch your videos, live videos, bios, and likes. See your followers and following list depending on your privacy settings. Other people may also be able to download, duet, and stitch with your videos. Your content may appear in search engines, blogs, social media posts, and news sites. So, what if your TikTok account is private and you want to make it public? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile. As you can see, my TikTok account is private. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Now tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy here. And the toggle for private account is active. With a private account, only users who you approve can follow can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. If you want to make your account to public, you can unactivate the toggle by tap on the toggle here. Switch to public account. Tap on switch. Now your TikTok account is public. So that is how to change your private account TikTok to public. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!